My name is Paul Tucker. I'm a cardiologist specializing in interventional work, but also a lot of primary and preventive cardiology care. I think with cardiology, to me it makes sense, okay? If the patient has had a heart attack, well, that part of the heart muscle doesn't work, and that leads to some weakness of the heart muscle, and that leads to all these changes in the heart muscle chambers, which lead to fluid building up, and just the fluid hemodynamics of it all, the physics of it, if you will, made sense to me, and that's one of the reasons I really liked it. So I treat everything from symptoms of palpitations, chest pain, chest discomfort, shortness of breath, weight gain, fluid overload, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. I don't primarily typically manage diabetes, but it certainly affects the heart. It's one of the leading causes of heart problems, so I definitely help the primary cares with diabetes management, smoking cessation. We discuss all of those things in the office. What makes probably the best relationship with the patient is when they're involved in the decision making and also the plan and just the whole how do we take care of you. So in other words, it's really not a paternalistic thing, it's more of a partnership. If you're my patient and I see you in my outreach clinic in Bastrop, you're going to see me at the hospital, and when you come to the hospital in Austin, most likely I'm going to be doing your procedure, I'm going to be doing your discharge summary, and I'm going to be seeing you again when you follow up with me in the office in Bastrop. The Texas Monthly Super Doctor Award is something it's an award given to the top 5% of physicians in their specialty. They basically ask the physicians, which doctor would you go to in this specialty? So that's a very nice thing to be honored in that way, where physicians that are peers of mine would come see me as a doctor if they needed a cardiologist. It just tells me that over the 30 years I've been doing this, maybe I'm doing something right.